It's here for your son baby YouTube for enemuntie anything be abium apart from Blasters when you Kotokone has when you Man U Chelsea Blasters and one of support Ghana na free we are the den enye yie intimuntie eneno no money no mama answer you be player ratings in last match na boy no and if you swear you be starting 11 akwesi apia obebo 442 one way star we are there 442 John Boy so nya red card the player ratings na be kan no asem kakra we are do be sina na emu e match ni na be kan no asem kakra nti you started with player ratings last match Benin Ghana for minutes mo dwa gidi kra nya easy o keep second Benin for second goal dey mi hu kra ti say ball say fine and one say that pony obi ebisa say offside say dey o yen ko hwa enye tapping enye hwe keeper so wato for mo for one direction o say for na keeper but all the same onye bad ono ani number 1 no nti me no for second goal no anya nti me no 5/10 onye bad he took command who say boss you are otimi bana we saving na the corners back onye bad 5/10 John Boy onu hunti na yen win match no nti John Boy dey mean rating no kra me man rating be at 2/10 because as one day boy uko delay den yen fan say referee no kra no wedi wabo etimoden kra uko delay ayeden match aye win commanding lead 2-1 uko delay den see 2-1 abeda ni 2-2 John Boy 2/10 Kasim nu boy no height no wono ese o take more command in the air ese area boss no ese o heading here nti onye bad sa otimi kate kofuni true passes ne tackles ne ono one on one marking bi o ha no e good o okay nti mema no ono so mema no 5/10 because area boss no onya de ni height ni bibia na ese area boss no eden otimi head na chese o take command ti say Virgil van Dijk style bia so as say nti ono mema no 5/10 you're surprising me kakra Lumo Agbenyenu. I think the boy is a good player. He's a very, very good player. And no match no. Who say? Me say no match. Benin match. Who say defenders ni no mutimi ko enim. Now kofuna first go here by say. Under 2 minutes defenders obia ko nenim. Under 2 minutes mo ko peden. Small boy ya na yeden. O track back kakra. But with man make it tackle no. But all the same no game ni mutimi say ball na fa no ho ni nyina o ya de otimi tackle kofuna fine. Odo say one call over the overlapping bia sa but oyade nti me no 6/10 ena ne and the yadom no so the wo other side of the full back no ono so ball na share down ban ho but all the same oyade nso ono so otimi ko enim nti e man more chances no otimi ko enim a e betima she goals because crossing this year the Nitika Jordan Nitika kakra you fan say defender you be shem kwa na ekona Kasim Adams obetima head na chesegu aba nti wachi yado mo say and yado mo me expect say match we so you best start no we good me man 7/10 you real defense so to say your midfield Christian Achu was the flop of the match. Kofi Mole yes we akose sanity win star ni biomo nti we dey obetina bench obe starting from the bench. But Kofi Mole member ni 2/10. Ojibo bia e beje fi nsem. Ontimi ntwe. Newcastle star bia internal not bench no. So Kofi Mole you have to back up. Game no obono. Ye hia cap. Ono before the match before the tournament no okika say he's not in for captaincy. He's thinking about bringing the trophy back home. Nti onye den onko che ni bobre. No mbra. Nyeso yembo na baso. Wasesa ne hairstyle but betina bench. Last match ni ebema ni 2/10. This match obetina bench. Kofi Mole, Christian Achu Kasam obetina bench. Yebano Wakasu member ni 7/10. Fantastic. The mopping play. Who say defensive midfielder there. They be asa ultimate protective defense no. Ne tackles unsuro. Boss ni be also a long boss na. I say last game na Shedan Koyi. Last game Thomas Partey long boss na neka. But Wakasu all the same his tackles were fantastic. And you know anka Benin for anka obe win match no. His tackles were fantastic, timely. One J card. Inti ono member no 7/10. Thomas Partey was lukewarm. You say born now Thomas Partey bet my born no. Enye no bi no boy no. Bet my boy am na chin the boy no. Nti ono no me man is over 10. All the same no. Enye Thomas Partey anka yenya 2 goals. First ball Thomas Partey na de ma your friend say Jordan. Jordan pass man nua. They did fantastic goal. On the player rating they nyam by captain by all standards. She say I go say Apia was surprising me, but I know they also in the rankings but how they your friend say Thomas Partey sisi ano they so you game ni mu no. And they say onya ball na I think say so ultimately attracting more players to him. Oh. Na players no be free na passes need to me call. Oh, and a long boss no so say I could say Apia say no person born there. On share Cameroon defense ni ye. Because Cameroon defense no munya dia Benin fo ya offside na obiti ni bahas dabi enko ba ne sa nti passes na say odem omoma ne kan na I think say boa Atletico Madrid no as a hard tackler na so ye bi nso wa ha so no so be mo pia play ni kakra nti me man is over 10 do wait my no and sure this match and obey nti ye fi wa ye ba hwan so kra ya Thomas Partey ya Wakasu midfield no yabo Twasam midfield no Dede Ayu boy bi no yi ni film no won say me refi di Japan wan be boshe kwesi Apia Japan wan be boshe look at this Ebenia Ghana easy she say could just somewhat bench in the Japan ni name Japan first half ko so it is meet me Ghana for hyper no take on no speed na boy small boy akwete se bia no bo tipi Mozambique obetima born by far 10 times me fini din kwa small boy bi akwesi Apia na de no by boy no ya de pa boy eseka by all miss could just someone start coach minim do here Thomas Japan me man 1/10 was on kwa match one first half queen the best substitute no kwa o ya de kakra usi ono so ye uniform kwesi Apia ko uniform fa ye friend say efi akwa obebo 2-2 saa no de wie osura de Ghanaians on person be take risks it sa boy no me man no 1/10 boy no best substitute no usi some usi 3/10 omunyina o ma shada nchombo bre papa bia esi ayem ba attack no obi ni nua oto sisi ano asamaja nkwa boy no ade obey na hwe obey wonders because we are no dey bia meka you need the greatest of all time dabi o generation na kire you need the greatest of all time dabi Pele mu boy ya metu o Messi mu boy ebi se o me greatest of all time ebi se o mo nya adwen o generation na be kire Pele generation be ka say ono ye greatest me so me generation be ka say Messi obi so be ka say Cristiano Ronaldo what must say you need the greatest of all time ti boy no the chance aba mu se tournament we goes na eda no so pa oto enra ana beni match no otimi take otimi win 50-50 balls ti say boy go share crown put there make me now to striker Ben Robin van Persie because sene otimi yi defender ni free at once bonus utimi say angle 90 popa enye down shot bia o say ball no ya calculating and now we na econo 90 degrees Oto was surprising me man 9/10 was also winning man of the match some ade no the man 9/10 na Jordan Dede Ayu there captain no afina mati akosi Apia say because sisi ana Samoaja no best start free bench so his influence in the team no will come with experience and Dede Ayu no so no he is the second in command what must say and captain by all standards and no utimu say Benin match no they need that bibia na no they need that bibia oni obi akasa te say echira no aba enima no okọ oje bo a onche hu no pass o no position play boy no very intelligent very intelligent player dey wo ho a eso we intelligent position play bibia obegina je pass so mu one touch but shot bibia only go no share no when take it 2 more touches ohun se ball no ebe soso amana na ni na nso nsura de boy angle equalizer bon yen boy ya Benin for see drone na den Novoco versus SMP Ghana for Benin no mu eduru anka World Cup ko match 10 ti ende mu fa nto nchen kra boy no captain for this tournament, the day are you? I think say this tournament should be his tournament. Obet me the captain be fie. Nti na ye tanichi. The day are you see man 8/10. 10/10 they meet me for man. My captain will delay. Man of the match in man 9/10. Because ne brother no so ya dey pa. Nti sisi ya no ye dey no to nchen a. Ye ba starting 11. This match, market to Richard Ofori on other post. 4 and 5, John Boy Free, into Jonathan Mensah and Kasim Nu. Full backs no, 2 and 3 no. The same star na Lumo Agbenyanu and Andy Yadom. Omwa no mujinem. The ba midfield na sign baby ma 2 bet na bench. Inti the be any say Kujwa Samoa Webo 11. 7 no ye the be ma Miche. Ode ma mbo ye fan say obo Wakasu Thomas Partey Kujwa Samoa bobo 11 na 7 no they didn't boss 7 no they didn't boss 10 na Jordan abo 9 but 7 no to Samia man boss 7 match we man boss 7 as suspect out here kusi apia bebo 3 defensive midfielders if you akwa if anything Wakasu ena Thomas Partey nti esa na Thomas Partey betima bo 7 ne kaka sana mimi hu no betima bo 7 ne kaka yes obebo 7 say normal 7 ya ye gani yo 7 go wa otumi 13 otumi ma passes otumi read the game nti I expect say sana starting 11 ne be kono atwitwa Asam do bench and dem upa ye nchibet atwitwa Asam and on bench what bench pa our best game no one be later. It's me expect so so Bema he will make an impact or a good player, but maybe he didn't have his day in the previous match. YouTube for cinema kanu ye ni Ghana fufu bia o my way ye na ye team sa no e se ye do o my no what must say Black Stars it is our number 1 brand bibia ni wa aton Ghana team Black Stars. I'm telling you on authority say utu kwan kwa buchire ekoka say ufri Ghana the first thing ebebo ebia Asamoah Gyan Sule Ali Muntari ebia Abedi Pele they don't know any yenim say utonkoko na koko no ye ka no hen yenim say asunyo o memo ye nyina ye Africa but Ghana no Black Stars no en na ton mani ko eni so what I say until we to support the brand now monje cap ni mbefie boys to me Makadada say this tournament no bibia ejina Captain Fantastic so he's the general captain nti me expect say match we dey see their defense be concede but we have to score more goals than the Cameroonians, so I'm expecting the match to end 2-1. Yes, I'm expecting the match to end 2-1. The goals will come from Oto and Obeshogo. I'm expecting say so Kujwa Samoa Bobia assist be fi Nuaba. Assist be fi Kujwa Samoa Waba. Thomas Partey so sa I'm expecting say ebia assist be fi Nuaba. Nti Ghana for stay tuned 5 o'clock. Make sure say this time the way the dia so no go show hype I am na masa hype but di last time in Mwach amishe metimanda o da ye sunkwa so dam pemu na ekomo de na osun da ye boni nti didi masa menko twahwe wa masa unu yiri o confusion undidi nso wakwatena bonten no munsanse wo hwe match wa look at this we need the aka didi because ye na yakuma tenchire but Ghana no de obibeka disappointment no Black Stars o mama yache the our Canada no slow so stay tuned 5 o'clock DD Bompaye say Black Stars ebe we need 2-1 say the predictions to makan pepepe musonfo minipa the people subscribe share across all platforms YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, everywhere. Stay tuned. Black Stars, come on Black Stars Ghana. That's it. Kid.